Harland Sanders. You know him as Colonel Sanders, but his story, it's one of grit and resilience. Born in 1890, his early life was tough. He faced poverty. He lost his father young. Life threw punches early, but young Harland had fire. He worked hard, even as a kid. He took on jobs to support his family. He learned the value of hard work. He knew hardship, but it only strengthened his resolve. Life wasn't easier as he grew older. He tried different jobs. He was a farmer, a steamboat pilot, a railroad fireman. He even studied law. But success seemed elusive. He faced setbacks, disappointments. Each role brought its own challenges, and each time he thought he might have found his calling, something would go wrong. The path to success was never straightforward. It was a constant struggle. The long hours, the physical labor, the mental strain, it all took a toll. Yet he persevered, driven by an unyielding spirit. But Harland, he never gave up. He kept learning, always seeking knowledge, always trying to better himself. He believed that education and hard work were the keys to unlocking his potential. Kept trying. He sold tires, traveling from town to town, meeting new people, and learning the art of salesmanship. Each interaction taught him something new. He ran a ferry service. He kept hustling, looking for his break. The ferry business was tough, but it taught him resilience and the importance of customer service. He knew what he wanted: success, recognition. He dreamed of making a name for himself, of creating something lasting. He just needed the right opportunity. He believed that with persistence and a bit of luck, his moment would come. And so, he kept pushing forward, never losing sight of his dreams. At 40, he started a roadside restaurant. He cooked for travelers. He used his mother's recipes, perfecting his fried chicken. People loved it. This was it, a taste of success. But fate had other plans. A new highway bypassed his restaurant. It was a crushing blow. Most would have given up. But not Harland Sanders. He was 65 and ready for his next chapter. Section 4. 1,000 no's. Yet the spirit remained unbroken. He knew his chicken was special. He decided to franchise it. He traveled across America, his pressure cooker in tow. He cooked for restaurant owners. He pitched his recipe. He faced rejection after rejection. It is said he heard no over 1,000 times. But Harland, he believed in himself. He believed in his recipe. He knew it was something special. He wouldn't give up. Section 5. The Colonel's Recipe for Success. It wasn't just about the 11 herbs and spices. It was about a vision, a dream, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. More than just 11 herbs and spices. Finally, after countless rejections and setbacks, he got a yes. That yes was the turning point. His franchise model took off. It was a revolutionary idea at the time, and it resonated with people everywhere. Kentucky Fried Chicken was born. It wasn't just a restaurant. It was a brand that stood for quality and consistency. The rest, as they say, is history. From a small roadside diner to a global phenomenon, KFC became a household name. Colonel Sanders became an icon. His story, an inspiration to millions. He showed that with determination, anything is possible. He proved that age is just a number. At 65, when most people are thinking of retirement, he was just getting started. That success can come at any time. His secret? It wasn't just the recipe, it was his unwavering commitment to his dream. Hard work, resilience, and a belief in himself. He worked tirelessly, often late into the night, perfecting his craft. He never gave up on his dream, no matter how tough the journey became. Every obstacle was just another step towards success, and it changed his life. His legacy lives on, reminding us all that with passion and perseverance, we can achieve greatness. Section 6. A legacy that endures. The power of perseverance. Colonel Sanders' story is a beacon of hope. His journey from a struggling entrepreneur to a global icon is nothing short of inspirational. It reminds us that failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone. Each setback is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to come back stronger. Every no brings you closer to a yes. His legacy lives on, not just in the delicious taste of KFC chicken, but in the spirit of perseverance he embodied. Not just in every crispy bite of KFC chicken, but in the hearts of dreamers everywhere. His story is a testament to the power of never giving up. He teaches us to embrace challenges, to never give up, to believe in ourselves, even when the odds are stacked against us. His journey shows that persistence and hard work can turn dreams into reality. He teaches us to embrace challenges, to never give up, to believe in ourselves, even when the odds are stacked against us. His journey shows that persistence and hard work can turn dreams into reality. Even when the odds are stacked against us, we must keep pushing forward. Because every effort, no matter how small, brings us closer to our goals. Because just like Colonel Sanders, we all have the potential for greatness within us. His life is a powerful reminder that age is just a number, and it's never too late to pursue your dreams. We all have the potential for greatness within us. So let's take inspiration from Colonel Sanders and strive to achieve our dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem.